Hello, today I'm here to fix the dripping water problem. Here, this is when it's completely closed. When you open it, it will be like this. This is open now for pita. It will drip, so you have to adjust it a little bit. So I'll go ahead and replace the ceramic valve here. This is a ceramic valve that's inside. I've already taken a look at the old one. The problem is that it's worn out on the inside part, not the handle. If it were the handle, we'd fix it a different way. To remove it, you need to use a cap remover like this. You go in here, right at the sticker on top, or where the logo is. And then we just, right here, there's a screw. The screw just holds the valve core in place, like this. Here, you see the valve. We're going to replace this part. Okay, before loosening this part, you need to shut off the main water valve that supplies water to the house. Then use the wrench. I'm using an adjustable wrench like this because it's easier, but if you don't have one, you can use a regular wrench, about size 14. Gently loosen it. Yeah. Yeah, there. It's out now. This is the old one. You'll notice that the rubber seal here hasn't deteriorated yet. So if it had worn out, there would be another way to fix it. But inside here, this part is blocked. It might be hard to see clearly here. Like this. This one is open. So when it's completely closed, it's almost like it doesn't properly seal at all, you see. This one is open. See, when it's open, it doesn't seem to close tightly. Let me show you. This part is rubber. The rubber is still in good condition. You can still keep this part for something else. As for the inside, the water door here, it seems like it's kind of loose. So I have to replace the whole thing. And if the rubber wears out, we can still adjust this knob here to make it higher in case this part wears out. But this one isn't worn out yet. The problematic part is this one inside, right here. So I replaced it with a new one. This is the new part. Each one costs about 5 to 10 baht. If you buy a lot, like I did, I got them for 3 baht each. I bought about 3 of them. Now, just screw it in. Something like this. And then just put it back in as before. Turn it on and off, okay? It works. There's nothing else here. Just secure it with a screw. Put the knob back on. Alright, that's good. Okay, now I've turned on the water valve outside. Let's see how it goes. Okay. The water is on now. This is off. Now, let's wait and see. It should be okay. There might be some leftover water droplets here. That's good now. It's fully closed. With the old one, there will still be drips, but this one doesn't drip anymore. Yeah, the water that's flowing now is just what's left over. Looks good. Okay, the replacement is done. So to sum up, the issue was with this part here, the ceramic valve. As for this one, well, I might try taking it apart again. Actually, I already took it out to check, but I noticed that it's quite hard to fix. There are some spots I noticed that are chipped. I'm not sure. Maybe the material isn't very good. Some parts are cheap, so I decided to just replace the whole head. Alright, that's it for this clip. Goodbye.